Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about the place values of numbers and its expanded forms. So let's start. So here is the number. We read this number as 1489, and if we split it into place value chart, it looks something like this. So 9 is at ones place. We start reading the place from right. So right is ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands. That's how we should be reading the number. So I kept all digits into its place into this chart. So here you can see 9 was at ones place. So if we find its place value, we have to multiply 9 with 1, its place value, its place actually. So 9 into 1 is 9. 8 is at tens place, so we have to multiply 8 by its place, it is 10, tens place, so we get 80. So 80 is the place value for 8. Hundreds, it's a 4, so 4 we have to multiply by 100, 100 it's its place, then we get 400. So the place value for this 4 is 400. And similarly the place value for 1 is 1000 because 1 is at thousands place. So that's how we write a number into its expanded form, and when we add all these numbers together we get our number. So this is 1489. Let's move on. We see the same digit will have different place values depending on the place it is in. So if you look at this number, it has 88888. Now in this place value chart, if you look at this 8, it has its place value as 8 because this is at ones place, and when we multiply this 8 with 1 we get 8. So this 8 has its place value as 8 because it is at ones place. Now if you look at this next 8, here it is ones. Now we'll move to tens place. This 8 is at tens place, this is the same one, and if we need to multiply with 10 and we get 80. So 80 is the place value for this number 8. Similarly for hundreds place, we will multiply 8 by 100 and we get 800. So 800 is the place value for this number 8. And for thousand place, the place value for 8 is 8000. Now we have seen 8 is the same digit, but its place value differs. So place value of this 8 is 8000, place value of this 8 is 800, place value of this 8 is 80, and place value of this 8 is 8. So that's how it works. Now we'll see some place value examples. So here is the number 1 2 3 4. We'll try to find out the place value for 2. So we kept this chart, and 2 is at hundreds place. We multiply 2 with 100 and we get 200. This 200 is our place value. For 3, if we multiply 3 with 10, we can get 30 as its place value. But we have few more examples to practice. Here we have 6, and this 6 is at ones place. We start place value from right side, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this 6 is at ones place, so the place value of 6 is 1. Next number is 9034. This is just to show 0 doesn't have any value, any place value. 0 is at hundreds place, but when we multiply any number with 0, it gives us 0 only. So 0 doesn't have any place value. We can still read this number as 9034. If you look at this number, here ones, tens. This red 7 is at tens place, green 7 as thousands place. So for this red 7, if we multiply by 10, we get 70 as its place value. For this 7, if we multiply by 1000, we get as 7000 as its place value. So here you notice the place value of this same digit differs. Now we'll see face value. So face value is very easy. Face value is the number itself. So if we look at the face value of this 2, it is exactly 2. Face value of 7 is always 7. Face value of this number 2 is again 2. Face value of 7 is 7. So wherever in the number any digit is falling, but the face value of that number remains same, it doesn't change. So you can see in this chart 7 has its place value as 7, 2 as 2, 7 as 7, 2 as 2. So that's how face value works. Reading 4-digit numbers. Now we know the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So let's see how to read 4-digit numbers. If you look at this number, this is 4-digit number, and if you look at the places, it is ones, 0, tens. This 0 is at hundreds place, this one is at thousands place. So we can read zeros doesn't hold any places, and this is the only digit we can read. So we can read like 1000 because 1 is at thousands place. We read that this number as 1000. Now this number is at 0 is at ones, this is at tens, this one is at hundreds place, this is 100, and this one is at thousands place. So how to read this number? 1000 and 100. Similarly, the next number is 1200. This 0 is ones place, this is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 1 is at thousand place. We read it as 1200. Sorry. Now the next number is 9020. 9 is at thousands place, 2 is at tens place. So place value of 2 is 20 here in this number, and 9 is at 9000, and 0, we don't count 0 as any place value, so it doesn't hold any place value. So directly we can call this number as 9020. And for this number it is 8531. So that's how we read this number. 1 is at ones place, 3 is at tens place, so 3 can be read as 30. 5 is at hundreds place, so 5 is read as 500, and 8 is read as 8000. Now we'll see expanded form. So you have observed like number can be written in different ways. So this is a standard form, and this is the number name. So if we read this number and we write this number in words, this is the number name 3875, and this is its expanded form 3875. So if we add the place value of its digits of a number, then we get the expanded form. Okay, we'll see some example here. So this is 8406, so 6 is at ones place, so 6 is at ones place. We multiplied number with its places, so 8 was multiplied by 1000, 4 is by 100 because 4 is at hundreds place. This represent places, ones, tens, hundred, and thousands. That's how this number is written. And this is the expanded form. 5134, we are just writing its place values. So 5 multiply 1000, 5000. 1 is at hundreds place, so 1 into 100. Then 3 is at tens place, so 3 into 10. 4 is at ones place, so 4 into 1. Again 2 is thousands place, 0 doesn't hold anything, so 1 is at tens place, 1 into 10, and 9 again at ones place. So that's how 2000, 10, and 9. And we read this number as 2019. Now we'll see the comma. So if we add comma, you can observe like reading number is easy. So this is 4-digit number. If you make comma after this 1000 place, you can easily read it as 2345. Similarly, for this number, we kept comma here at 1000 after this thousands place, then we read it as 2020. So considering the number 1000, it should be written as this way. The comma is used to separate the one of the thousands from the other 3 digits. It is easier to read big number with commas. Okay, so we have shown some 4-digit examples. So keeping comma, it makes us easy to read the numbers. So always make use of the commas. That's it for this video. Thank you for listening. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and please continue watching this channel. Please subscribe. Happy learning. Bye bye.